Alrighty guys, I hope everyone's having a great evening or afternoon or morning or whenever you're watching this video. And today in this video, I'm going to be talking about inspiring entrepreneurship. So if you have an idea, I'm going to show you how to get that into action. Or if you don't have an idea, I'm going to show you how to think of an idea and how to get that going and to get the ball rolling so you can make a business, start making some money, and get some experience. So let's get started in this video. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is a question. So what do you do for fun? So whether that be, do you like to play video games, do you like to play sports, do you like to watch YouTube, do you like to buy shoes, or do you like to bake? So when you think of that, essentially when you make a business, you want to be motivated, right? So you're usually oftentimes motivated in things that you enjoy doing. So a quick example is myself, right? So I like to play video games. So I started a server on Minecraft and I was able to allocate my interests into that server and develop something that I thought was really cool. And it turned out that thing that I thought was really cool, other people thought it was really cool. And now I started a really good business off of that, and I was able to scale it up a lot. And that's just a quick example. So another thing could be like if you watch YouTube, like you can start a YouTube channel and start advertising products on your YouTube channel. Or if you like to buy shoes, I know a lot of my friends, they start buying shoes and selling them for profit. That's a pretty good business too. It's just something quick and easy. Or if you like to bake, you can start your own, I don't know if you're like a chef type person or you like that kind of stuff. You can start selling cupcakes to people, or you can sell cookies or lemonade stands or anything like that. I know it's kind of ordinary, but anything goes, you know. And so, how can you market this idea that you thought of? So, first of all, Google is your best friend. Whenever in doubt, Google. That's always a key thing to remember. So, think of things that you would want. Usually, things that you would want, other people would want too. Like I just mentioned in my Minecraft server example, I started something that I thought I thought was cool, and it turned out that the ball got rolling. Other people thought it was cool too, and that led to innovation and expansion. And that's how essentially I was able to reach a large audience. And by doing that, when I was scaling up, the best way to reach large audiences is understanding your demographics. So what you want to do is essentially try and market to your best ability on the best platforms, essentially YouTube, TikTok, or spread a word like to your friends if it's an in-person thing, if it's not digital, or you make a website and just advertise the website. It's pretty simple. Or you could use things like Shopify even to help you launch your business. And consider advertisement technique, which is basically what I just mentioned. So just whatever what kind of platform you want to use. And so another tip I'm going to be talking about, and this is the last and final tip, has anyone marketed this idea yet? So if they have, you're in luck. Usually, the best thing to do would be build off of something that's already successful and go from there and add your own things to it, because you know that's going to work if it's already successful. You want to copy the things they're doing. Sounds a little bit cheesy, but it works. And shape it into your own. Build your business around it. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty good strategy because you know that it's already successful, so you know the potential is there. You just got to execute your plan correctly. And finally, build your brand. All right, so easy steps here. Once you're ready, once you fully understand what you want to do, buy a domain, make a website. Like I mentioned, you can use Shopify if you want. If you're doing something like drop shipping, buying and selling goods, and you start advertising and making money. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you and have a nice rest of your day.